Kia ora and Ata Marie. Kia ora and mabuhay and welcome to our vlog. So we went to Tucker. Let's go to where are we going now? Auckland. Hala, may na-meet kami. May na-meet kami, oh. Charot.
Dito rin pala kayo.
Taga-bundok nakarating sa syudad.
Let's go. Woo! Go. Woo! Go. Woo! Go. Woo! Go.
Diyan, mga taga-tao po. Kamusta?
Nagigil.
Gigil na gigil mag-shopping, girl. Ha? Gigil sa shopping?
Nagigil kasi wala sa probinsya nito.
Tama. Ipa-close na natin to. Parang Chris Aquino ang peg. Ipapa-close ang shop.
Bakla kasi ayaw mahawa ng sakit.
Ang shala, girl. Kakainis.
At first it's cold, but then it turns warm.
How is it? Is it? How is it? Welcome to Hilton. Tara, shala.
Tara.
Paulit po.
Hindi ka nilalabig.
Wala na magagawa. Ano talaga pag mataba? Puno na ng taba.
There, okay?
Oh, good job yan, Ate Emma. Guys, winter, but look at me, padede sa censored MTMCB. Sa mga social climber, andito kami ngayon sa Hilton here in Auckland. So, after the whole day of shopping, ganun talaga, yayamanin, di ba? And then now, we're here, oh, warm pool. Then, yeah. Good job! So, happy Matariki, everyone! Happy Matariki! Wow, balot na balot ang mga kasama ko sa mantala ko walang saplot. Rosana Roses ang peg ko ngayon. Kakalok. Aray ko. Happy Matariki! Happy Matariki, everyone! May mata si Ricky. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Shout out to Kuya Ricky, Tito Ricky ng Talpos. Hi, Tito Ricky. Happy Matariki. Okay, pakain naman dyan ng Woolworth chart. So there you have it, guys. We're done with swimming and it's too cold. It's winter. But who cares? We're from Taupo. Of course, this is just summer. It's very cold. Guys, ano masasabi mo sa Hilton?
Pag mayaman siya.
Ganun talaga, di ba?
Buti yung ipon ko nagkasya.
Guys, ang kidney ko patatanggal ko next week. Pambayad dito sa Hilton. Mga social climber, yung isa doon, oh, busy-busy.
Inubos ko na yung sweldo ko ngayon. Wala nang pambayad.
Magkano nagastos mo sa shopping, girl? Hindi pa tayo naka-Costco.
Hindi ko pa nauubos. Bukas, balik tayo.
Kakainis. So bukas, ubusin namin ang aming mga korat, ang aming savings. Pasya, doon na sila, oh, kakairita. Bayan, oh, doon lang katabi lang. Asset na napakalayo. Dito lang naman kami, yun, oh. Magkatabi lang. Oh, we're going out? Kumusta naman ang ating lipat bahay?
Okay naman. Tagal ng truck. Tagal ng lipat bahay truck.
Guys, look at me. Kumusta naman dyan? Hoy, wag niyong nakawin ang painting ng hotel. Welcome to our day 2. Day 2 of our tour. Ano, what are you going to say, bata? Yeah. You enjoy? Yeah? The best Matariki day ever? Where are you? And then after that, where are we going?
Costco to buy
What?
food.
Food? Costco to buy food.
Food
Look
is
at
the
me.
home of Costco.
Look at Tatay.
Food is the home of Costco.
Yan.
Costco.
Miss, anong dala ninyo?
Ah,
Longganisa.
ito.
Longganisa for life. Oh, pack.
Pilipino eh.
Tama. Nice. Enjoy ka ba sa iyong Costco tour? Yeah? Are you tired? Nice, kumusta experience?
Ang gastos.
Nakamagkano, Tiger?
Sikreto malupit.
Nakano kami?